We'll guide you through how to fix the WhatsApp microphone if it's not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when the WhatsApp microphone isn't working, because perhaps you're trying to go and send a voice note or something like that and you're unable to. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and resolve it. Make sure it's a full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. First of all, let's go and try restarting the app. So what you want to do is go and drag up from the bottom like so, and this will open up the app viewer, and you can then swipe up on WhatsApp and it will close. And then what you can do is try opening up again and see if that solves it. Sometimes a quick refresh like that can. If that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is go and open up your settings. Now what you need to do is go and scroll down, and you need to go and find the option for privacy and security and tap there. Then you want to go and scroll down and find the option for microphone and tap there. Make sure that WhatsApp has permission to use the microphone, otherwise it's not going to be able to. So then after you've done that, you can go and return to WhatsApp, go and see if it now works. Hopefully it does. You may want to try restarting the app and then trying it and go and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, what we're going to do is go and head to our settings again, come back to the first settings page, and then scroll down and find the option for general. Scroll down again and find the option for transfer or reset iPhone. And you can then go down and find the option for reset at the bottom. And you want to go and find the option for reset location privacy. So go and tap that there. You'll need to go and give apps permissions again, but that's why we're doing this. So enter in your passcode to confirm. Enter in your passcode to go and confirm this. And confirm it again. You will need to go and give apps permissions again, but that's why we're doing this. Then what you can do is come and return to WhatsApp, and you need to go and give it different permissions again. Let's come into a chat, and then what we can do is try sending a voice note, and we should then go and get this pop-up, press allow, and hopefully now it's going to go and work.